In this video, we listed the 5 best ultralight tents that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. MSR Freelite 2-Person Tent. The MSR Freelite is a high-performance 2-person tent designed for backpackers seeking a balance of lightweight construction and spacious comfort. Made from 100% ripstop nylon with a DuraShield polyurethane coating, it weighs just 2.3 pounds and features a rectangular floorplan with 39 inches of headroom. Ideal for 3-season use, it includes a waterproof rainfly and floor with taped seams, ensuring durability and protection from the elements. The tent boasts 2 large side entry vestibules for gear storage, interior pockets, and overhead gear lofts for added convenience. Setup is efficient with DAC NFL poles and a unified hub and pole system, while details like reinforced patches and anodized stake loop grommets enhance durability. Tech-friendly features such as cable ports on all pockets facilitate easy cord management, making the Freelite a versatile choice for camping, hiking, and trekking adventures. Number 2. MARMOT Crane Creek Tents. The MARMOT Crane Creek 2-person tent is designed for comfort and durability, making it ideal for backpacking and camping adventures. With dimensions of 86 inches in length, 50 inches in width, and 43 inches in height, and weighing 2,400 grams, it offers 32 square feet of shelter. The tent features a round shape and is suitable for fall and winter seasons. Its construction includes a tent body, flysheet, poles, stakes, and a stuff sack for easy portability. Key features include waterproof capabilities with seam-taped floor and polyester fly, ensuring protection in inclement weather while allowing airflow. The tent is made with 7000 series aluminum poles for durability and includes 2 large D-shaped doors and overhead vestibules for convenient access and gear storage. MARMOT, known since 1971 for their outdoor gear, emphasizes quality and functionality to enhance outdoor experiences and exploration. Number 3. Clostnature Crux Lightweight Tent. The Clostnature 1-person tent is designed for outdoor enthusiasts seeking reliable shelter during solo adventures in various conditions. Constructed from polyester with a PU 5000 coating, the tent offers robust waterproofing and durability, ensuring comfort in all 4 seasons. Weighing just 4.2 pounds and packing down to 15 foot x 5.1 x 5.1, it's highly portable, making it ideal for backpacking, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Setup is quick and straightforward with 2 aluminum poles, and the tent features mesh walls for ventilation, a D-shaped door, and a spacious vestibule for gear storage. The package includes essential components like a carry bag, ropes, stakes, and a repair kit, backed by a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Number 4. Kelty Late Start 2P Tent. The Kelty tent is designed for camping and offers a quick setup with its innovative quick corners and pre-bent aluminum poles. It features a spacious interior with a peak height of up to 56 inches, accommodating 2 people comfortably. The tent is constructed from durable 68D polyester fabrics, including a waterproof bathtub-style floor and a full-coverage rainfly with 1,200 mm water resistance to keep occupants dry in various weather conditions. Additional features include ample ventilation through guyouts and a single-door design. Kelty emphasizes environmental responsibility through DWR, PFC-free fabrics and is committed to preserving natural spaces as a founding member of the Conservation Alliance. The tent comes with essential components like stakes and a stuff sack for easy packing. Number 5. Naturehike Cloud Up 2-person tent. The Naturehike Cloud Up 2-person tent is designed for minimalist backpackers seeking lightweight yet spacious shelter. Made from 20D nylon with a silicone coating boasting a 4000 mm waterproof index, it offers durability and weather resistance. The tent features 7001 aluminum alloy poles and a freestanding Y-shaped structure, enhancing stability without needing peg nails. Its dimensions are 82.7 inches long, 49.2 inches wide, and 41.3 inches high, with a packed size of 16 by 5 inches, making it portable for backpacking. Additional features include YKK zippers, mesh pockets, and a full coverage rain fly. Setup is quick, typically taking about 5 minutes, and the tent includes various accessories like tent pegs, wind ropes, and a carry bag. Ideal for 3-season use, it combines lightweight design with robust materials for outdoor adventures.